Hi, this is Armila, franchise consultant of Unified Products and Services. For this video, I'll show you how to do fund requests or replenish your eCash account through web access. And prior to this, I have already sent money to the company's BDO account using BDO online banking. But first, I would like to show you the file that we'll be using later on. I got this from BDO My Transactions menu. And just do a screenshot, making sure that the reference number has been captured, and edit the image with the payer, reg code, fund transfer, and service fee. And as we all know, anything between 0 to 50,000 pesos should be charged 25 pesos. Hence, I have written 25 for the service fee, and the remaining amount is for the fund transfer. So 4,975 plus 25 is 5,000 pesos. Let's start. Okay, just click the icon on the uppermost left. Select Fund Transfer. And then Fund Transfer. And then upload the image I've shown you a while ago. Right, and then click upload. Right, once you get that confirmation, you guys go to the next step. Input your mobile number. Fund type should be eCash, bank deposit, and then choose BDO. Since I have deposited it to the company's BDO account, please be informed that the company has 2 other accounts, but for this video we'll choose BDO. And then it should be Cubao General Araneta for the branch name. Currency, pesos. And then amount is 5,000. And then reference number, okay, just refer to your image. Okay, it's BC-2020 1110. Then the date and time you have transferred money. Okay, and then password, then click submit. Proceed. Not now. Then you'll see this tracking number. And then just wait for a few hours. Check your email. Get this confirmation. That's it. Please don't forget to like and follow our Facebook page at Unified Hambay. Thank you for watching. Bye!